Yes, welcome back again to our second session. Okay, so in our second session, we're gonna continue our lesson from our first session together. Alright, everyone, so in our previous session, we already learned 3 words from our sound H with letter H, right? Okay, who remember what are they? Correct, they are hand, hat, and hippo. Alright, excellent everyone. Now please look at our whiteboard and read our lesson with teacher together. Okay, repeat after teacher louder everyone. Okay, Thursday, October 21st, 2021. Jungle Phonics1. Jungle Phonics1. Unit 3. Unit 3. G H I G H I. Okay, good. Sound H. Sound H. Sound H. Okay, letter H, right? Okay, good. All right. 1. Hand. 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 One more time. Hand. Good. 2. Hat. 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 3. Hippo. 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 One more time everyone. 1. Hand. 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 2. Hat. 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 3. Hippo. 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 Excellent. Now your turn. Please read together. Start from sound H or sound H. Good. Okay. 1. Great job. Hand. 2. Excellent. Hat. 3. Hippo. Okay. Great job, everyone. Wow. You can read our lesson well. Okay. Right now, everyone, please open your Jungle Phonics textbook again with our sound Hi. Okay, great job. Right now, teacher want you to listen to our audio track and singing along together. Everyone, now enjoy listening.
Track 34. Listen, point, and repeat.
H, H, H.
H, H. H.
H, H, hen.
H, H, hen.
H, H, hat.
H, H, hat.
H, H, hippo.
H, H, hippo. Track 35. Chant along.
H, 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 H. Hen. Hen. H, 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 H. Hat. Hat. H, 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 H. Hippo. Hippo. Hen. Hen. Hat. Hat. Hippo. Hippo. Hen. Hen. Hat. Hat. Hippo. Hippo.
Great job, everyone. How do you feel after changing along? Did you change with them? Wow, great job. Okay. So right now, look at our exercise below our changing along together. Okay, so here is our first practice with letter H or sound H. Okay, so in this exercise, we need to trace and write. Trace and write. Okay, do you see a big letter H, everyone? Good. What about small letter H? Okay, you see it as well. So right now, teacher want you to trace our big letter H and small h after that, right until the end of the line. Can you do it? Okay, great job. Now teacher give you 1 minute to complete this exercise together. Everyone, now enjoy doing. Ready, everyone? Okay, excellent. Can you show me? Wow, great job. You can trace and write nicely. Teacher also finished doing this exercise. Okay, teacher already traced and write as well. Okay, great job, everyone. Okay, good student. All right, so right now before teacher and our class, let's see our whiteboard again and tell teacher one by one with our words today together. Okay, tell teacher, what is this, everyone? What is this? Correct. This is a hat. This is a hat. Hat. Excellent, everyone. Okay, after hat, what is this, everyone? What? Yes, correct. This is a hippo. 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 Great job. Wow, you're so clever. What about the last picture, everyone? What? Yes, this is a hand. 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 Okay, wow, good hand for yourself. Wow, everyone, you're so clever. You can remember with all of our 3 words that have learned today, and teacher hope you can write it without looking your book as well. Okay, so try to read it more and spell it more by yourself at home. Okay, great job, everyone. All right, thank you for your participation. So now our class courses they finish. Everyone, take care of your health. Good luck. Enjoy lunch with your family. Goodbye. See you on Friday. Bye bye.